Student, this is class 9, chapter 12, atoms and molecule. The first topic is chemical reaction. What is chemical reaction? It is a reaction in which two or more substances react to form product A and B to form AB. In this case, A and B are reactant, AB is a product. Suppose an example. In the formation of tea, water, sugar and milk and tea leaf react to form tea. This is a example of chemical reaction. Second example is C and O2 to form CO2. This is another example of chemical reaction. The next topic is law of chemical combination. Lavoisier and Joseph established law which explain a lot about chemical reaction. This is of two types. The first is law of conservation of mass and second is law of constant proportion. The first is law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation mass cannot be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. Suppose A and B to form AB. In this case, 4 gram of A and 4 gram of B is used as reactant. I mean total 8 gram of reactant is used after reaction to form AB. In this case, AB also form 8 gram. In this case, same mass, this follow law of chemical combination. This is law of conservation of mass. The second example is C and O2 to form CO2. In this case 44 gram of reactant is used. In this case, after reactant 44 gram of CO2 is also formed. Same mass. This law of conservation. This is also a law of conservation of mass. In this reaction, according to law of conservation of mass of reactants is equal to mass of products, is called law of conservation of mass. In this case, if reactant mass is 60 gram, suppose mass of reactant is 60 gram, after reaction mass of the product is also 60 gram, is called law of conservation of mass. If mass of the reactant is 100 gram, after reaction the mass of the product is also 50 gram, is also 100 gram. This is also called law of conservation of mass. Suppose H and H to form H2. In this case, 1 gram of H is used and 1 gram of H is used. After reaction, 2 gram of H2 is formed. In this case, 2 gram of reactant is used. I mean 1 is equal to 2 gram of reactant is used. After reaction 2 gram of H2 is formed. This is law of conservation of mass. C and O2 to form CO2. Then in this reaction 44 gram, in this reaction 44 gram of reactants is used. After reaction 44 gram of CO2 is also formed. I mean same mass. This is law of conservation of mass. The first question is on the basis of law of conservation of mass. In a reaction 5.3 gram of sodium carbonate reacted with 6 gram of ethanoic acid. After the reaction the product were 2.2 gram of CO2, 0.99 gram of water and 8.2 gram of sodium ethanoate. So that these observations are in agreement with the so that these observations are in agreement with the law of conservation of mass. In this case reaction is shown as reaction is shown as sodium carbonate ethanoic acid to form sodium ethanoate, CO2 and water. 5.3 gram of sodium carbonate is used and 6 gram of ethanoic is used. I mean 11.3 gram of reactant is used in the reaction. After reaction sodium ethanoate 8.2 gram of sodium ethanoate is formed. CO2 2.2 gram of CO2 is formed and 0.9 gram of water is formed. I mean 8.2 add 2.3 and add 0.9 also form 11.3 gram of product. I mean total mass of the reactant is equal to total mass of the product. This is law of conservation mass. I mean this example is follow law of conservation of mass.